Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I did this pour probably a couple years ago. I liked it. I'm keeping it around, so it was on my wall here in Kona. I called this Waterways because it looks like you're looking down and there's like an estuary. And I just wanted to give it a little bit of bling. Hope I'm not making a mistake on that, but I'm going to give it a shot. So I put some varnish on it. I use satin varnish on this one. And I'm going to be using the Tri-Art liquid glass to attach my different glitters that I'm going to be using. And I put it in a little, so instead of using resin, this glitter is going to be pretty fine, but I also, this is good for the bigger chunks like this. This is smashed marbles. So let's look at how I do that. I also have another video on how I put glitter on a wet painting. So when it's wet, you can control it. Sorry for the noise. Just wait a minute. Okay, when it's wet, you can put it on, but when it's dry, you have to have like a glue or something. You can use Mod Podge. So I'm going to be using Laser Ocean Ultra Fine by Bling Boutique. Using that. I'm going to be using from Win Modern Art. This is Alaskan Sky. So pretty. Hope it's not too breezy out here. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this laser mix. I haven't decided. I'm also going to be using from Counterculture. This is Sterling Snow. And then I have some glass. I think this is from Laura's Art Corner. I don't have the tag on here. So I think I'm going to use that. I might not use all of them together. Oh, and this one, maybe. Glitter Bazik. So what I do to make these, I just cut a piece of paper and I fold it over, and then I fold it over and tape it. That stops the glitter from coming out the back. So I fill this up with glitter, and then I hold it like this. Well, I'll show you. And then I have control of where it goes. So I'm going to go ahead and put on some music, and we'll see what goes on this. It's the next day, and I'm going to be taking this off. I'll be using the leftovers on another project. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and use this brush. It's pretty soft. And just lightly brush it off. Light touch. I try to get it all on this freezer paper here. That's what I thought would happen. I brush it one way, and then I'm going to brush it the other way. And I'm going to brush it this way. fine glitter, you might see some areas that it's stuck to, and you can just take a wet paper towel